Callie.
I'm Emma.
And this is our great-grandmother,
Meta.
And today we're going to do a slime challenge.
So, let's get started! Our slime challenge is going to be Siri versus great-grandmother slime challenge, and we're so excited about this. So here are the rules. All of our slime ingredients are labeled with numbers, and Callie's on the team of Siri, so she's gonna ask you to choose a number, and that will decide what ingredient she gets to put in her slime. And I'm on Oma, or Meta's team, and she's gonna choose a random number. So we're super duper excited. The winner is whoever has the prettiest slime. So let's just
Get right onto it. Yeah. Okay, so you guys can go first.
All right. Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 18.
18. Oh, the great sisters.
Pick a number between 1 and 17.
It's 13.
That's the color I like.
She got dark blue pigment. It looks more light here. But... Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 17.
15.
Yay! We got bronzy gold.
Antique brass.
Okay, I'm gonna pick now. Pick a number between 1 and 15.
The answer is 4.
Oh, that's a nice one.
She got silver glitter, and we didn't.
I know.
Oh, that's a really good one.
Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1.
12.
Oh no, I think it's gonna be
It's
brown.
emerald green.
But
It's-
these together are gonna be like brown, right?
can't be helped.
Pick a number between 1 and 13.
It's 3.
Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 11.
8.
Woo!
Kelly,
you do 11 too.
She got green glitter.
She's got a good combination, actually.
It actually looks really good together.
Yeah, because the silver is great.
Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 7.
6. Oh, that's not bad.
Woo!
Not bad at all.
Number between 1 and 6.
The answer is 5.
Whoa.
It's a good combination. Okay, go.
Okay, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 5.
Why can I not go higher?
Yeah, you can go higher.
Okay. Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 17.
14. Oh, okay.
Purple! Yay!
Both of you are just like, ah.
Pick a number between 1 and 4.
That would be 1.
I got clay!
Hey, Oma, pick a number between 1 and 18. Yep.
Okay, can I do 17?
Do a really low one. You keep doing
Hey,
17.
17.
17!
Right.
Woo!
I like that.
Pick a number between 1 and 3.
Oh, no! I didn't want you to have that.
Hey,
Yeah.
Callie has all the consistency ingredients. We're just gonna have a slime.
Yeah, well, it was between slime. Didn't we say slime?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, we said slime.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well, there's 5 left. You want to do the numbers again
Yeah.
between 1 and
Okay.
5?
Pick a number between 1 and 5.
I thought it was Kelly's turn.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. 1.
Pick a number between 1 and 4.
That would be 2.
Oh, man.
Pick a number between 1 and 3.
1.
Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, the black.
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
The answer
No! We got black!
So do we have to use the whole bag?
No. We have to use
Oh, just a pinch. Just
Alright, it's time to make slime. We'll see you when our slimes are active.
This is our sister Megan.
And she's our judge. So we're gonna reveal our slimes in 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be so hard.
Oh, look at the back of it. That's pretty.
They do look beautiful, both
do.
of them.
Me and Oma's is a goldish orange, bronze gold color. And it's really sparkly and metallic.
And mine is kind of like a galaxy.
It has white clay mixed with purple and rainbow foam.
And I couldn't mix in all the clay. It's pretty stiff. But that's why it looks like galaxy, because of the clay.
Yeah, ours is really sparkly. I want to give you a close-up.
So this is mine.
Are you gonna do your? Uh-oh.
That's how stiff it is.
Okay,
So bad.
this is ours. You can
Let's see how stiff it is. Do you think?
Emma, yours isn't stiff.
Oop,
Oh, it's not stiff at all.
it is.
I mean, it's kind of not as stiff.
I was
as
going really slowly, so let me do it like Callie's.
Uh-oh.
All
At
right.
least like fling things everywhere. Okay.
She has
So who should I try first? Let's do
Callie's.
No, do Emma's.
Okay, I'll do Emma's first.
Okay.
Oh, I like that. It's not the kind of slime that's like doesn't stick to your hands but leaves stuff on it. It's really nice. It comes completely off. It doesn't even leave my hands feeling sticky, which I really like. I don't really like the color very much. I do like that it's kind of gold. I like the sparkles, but I don't like that it's just brown.
It's not brown. It's gold.
Can I see the poke? You
It's
do it.
gold.
Okay, do the poke. It's pretty good, but I don't think you can hear it. So.
You're gonna hate mine. I just hate
Okay, how do I get? Oh wow. Well,
Megan,
it's kind of cold. I like the color. I don't like the foam because they're just falling out.
I know.
I don't like the consistency. It's like it feels like boiled egg. It
It's
feels
not
like
my
boiled egg
fault
whites.
that I have all the bad stuff.
Oh,
No, you have all the good stuff.
It's not flexible at all. I really like the color, but clear glue with clay doesn't go very well.
It
and
does. It's just her slime is overactivated.
and I don't like the foam.
So
Give it to me, Callie.
Okay, so the winner is, you guys guessed it, Emma and Oma.
We won it!
We did it!
Yes!
We did
Yes!
Okay,
Yes!
I'm gonna give Callie and Siri
Megan,
a 5 out of
Megan,
10, and
wait,
they get a
wait.
7 out of 10. So, pretty good.
Really?
I think you were pretty good.
Siri does not have a good taste
Well,
in slime.
Megan.
Please subscribe if you like what you saw. There will be more videos. Thank you.
Bye!
Bye-bye.